Earlier this month, the court issued an injunction freezing 439 million play tokens and transferring them to Damex, a nominated custodian, until a full hearing can be held in April. The claimants, which include Readymakers Inc. and multiple investors, argue that Ms Macedo was entrusted with the company's shares for regulatory reasons, but was never the rightful owner. They accuse her of transferring control of the company to a Maltese entity without their consent. Ms Macedo, however, insists that she was the legitimate owner of the shares and has acted within her rights. Her legal team filed an application to vary the order, arguing that certain tokens should be excluded from the freeze because they have already been allocated to investors and employees. The application was partially successful. Judge John Trestano unfroze 68 million tokens and allowed 15 million to be used for now. But the dispute over the ownership of Readymaker and the remaining tokens remains unresolved. This case is important for a number of reasons. Firstly, it highlights how freezing orders can be applied to blockchain assets, something that's been legally untested in other jurisdictions. Secondly, with Gibraltar positioning itself as a crypto-friendly jurisdiction, this ruling could set a precedent for future disputes. And finally, there are millions at stake and a total of around 19,000 token holders potentially affected.